Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to add a logo to the packing slip in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify website dashboard, and in order to see the packing slip, let's go to Settings, and then let's go to Shipping and Delivery, and then let's scroll down until we see the packing slip template right here. So once we click on this, we can click on Preview Template to see how the packing slip looks like. So here is the packing slip, and as you can see, we don't have the logo displayed right here. So we will do that right now. So let's just close this one, and then in order to change the packing slip template, you just need to edit this code right here. But Shopify also has a manual in how to edit the logo. So just go here to this link right here to go to the Shopify manual to customize the packing slips. And then on this page, we will click on edit logo, since that's what we need to do for our packing slip template. And then it also has some instructions right here in order for you to follow in how to change the logo to our packing slip. So it has different options. You can add the logo and remove the store name. You can add the logo above the store name, or you can add the logo next to the store name. So first I will do add logo and remove store name. So we just need to delete this part in the website. So let's go back here. So we just need to delete this one from the uppercase shop name and then the /p. So just delete this, and then we will copy this code right here. So copy this and paste the code right here. And then from here, we will change the image source right here. So we need to paste the file URL right here. So in order to do that, let's go back to our Shopify. So I'll just open up a new tab so that we can edit it at the same time. So again, let's go back to shipping and delivery. Go to the packing slip template. Since we didn't save the template earlier, let's just repeat it again. And then let's go to files. From content, click on files, and then we will upload our logo right here. Since we don't have our logo, let's upload it. And then I will add the logo right here. And then once it has uploaded, it will be reflected right here into our files page. And then from here, we just need to copy the link of our image of the logo. Go back to our code right here, and then just paste our code right here. I mean the file URL. And then after we are done, we can just click on save, and then we can now click on the preview template. And as we can see, we already have our logo right here displayed in our packing slip template. If you want to change the size of the logo, you just need to change this one, the width and the height. So currently it is 60 pixels by 60 pixels. So for example, you want to change this to 100, and for the height, you can change this into 80. So click on save. Click on preview template. And then now we can see that the logo has now changed its size according to the settings that we have configured in the code. And then if you want to add the store name again, you can just follow these directions right here. So if you want to add the logo above the store name, so we need to make sure we are in here. So for the div class, equal shop title, So we will add a line break between this one. So we'll just copy this, Control F. So div class shop title. So let's add a line break, and then let's still have this P class to uppercase. And then let's cut the code right here to the space that we created. And then right here. But let's add again the shop name right here. And then now we can click on save, click on preview template, and then now we have our store name right here and the logo. So if you want it above the store name, you can do this steps as well. But if you want to add the logo next to the store name, we will follow this one. So find this, and then we will delete that code again, and then write the following code, paste the copied URL where indicated. So we just need to copy this, delete this one as well, paste the code right here, and then find the following liquid variable. So let's just copy this, then Control F, let's find right here the dot shop title, so dot shop dash title. So it's placed right here, and then we will add a new line at the end of the variables listed above. So paste the following code. So copy this, so add it right here, and then click on save, click on preview template, maybe we did something wrong. Oh, I didn't put the image URL. So let's go back here. So let's paste the file URL here, copy the URL, paste the URL here, click on save, click on preview template, and then there we have the logo right here, and then the store name. And then that is it. That is how we add the logo to the packing slip in Shopify. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.